Are you looking to convert TIFF image to PNG format? We've got you covered. We'll show you 2 easy methods to save TIFF to PNG. Let's see the manual method to save TIFF to PNG. Using the Save As option, go to the TIFF file location, right-click on a file, and select Edit with Paint option. Click File, then Save As, and choose PNG option. Click Save. Now let's check the Pro method to export TIFF to PNG. That's where the BitRecover TIFF Converter Wizard comes in. Just visit the official BitRecover website and download our TIFF to PNG converter. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add TIFF files or folders. Select the files you want to convert. Choose PNG as saving format. Set the destination path. And lastly, click Convert. Let's have a look at the comparison between the manual and professional methods. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@bitrecover.com.